front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and let me show you how to allow installation of apps from unknown sources. So at first open the settings, then find and select security and privacy. So here it is. Now go a bit lower and mark more security and privacy settings. Here you will notice installation sources, mark to enroll. And now just pick the particular app, the one that you want to give this permission to, mark the indicator, click on All, and from now on you'll be able to install via this source. Obviously you can do it for any other app of yours. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.